hard.
Votre petit déjeuner.
Merci, je sais pas.
Les œufs sont tout frais. Livraison spéciale d'un ami.
Toutes mes excuses à votre ami, alors.
Mais qui a dit qu'il s'agissait de mon ami?
Don't worry. Bet there's gonna be a whole bunch of good people at the nest.
How do you know? They can be neat.
Oh, I thought it was from the nest. He wasn't me.
Why can't I come with you?
You just can't.
Why?
I told Isabel I'd drop you off at the nest. She'll come looking for you there.
But I can help you. Promise to do whatever you say. You'll only have to show me things once.
It ain't about that.
What's it about?
Shh. We gotta go. Come on. Let's go.
My stomach
Leave it.
must have opened. Sorry.
It's gonna be fine. Don't worry about it. Come on, quick. Get the fuck out of here.
How else would I know? We found nothing.
You found him like that?
Guess we lucked out.
He's got rope burns on his neck.
A court's a court, you prick. You know, you snooze, you lose.
Stop fighting! Right now! Stop! Wait up! I told you don't fight! Nothing. All right, get him out! Come on, out! You killed him! You know the rules! Out! Ready. Ready to hit you, know.
All right.
I need you to follow the river until you find this place.
What will you do?
Don't worry about me. I'll be right behind you. Take it. Take it.
I can't go on my own.
So you do everything I tell you, right? I'm telling you. Go. Go.
Ici.
Bouge pas.
Une trace du gamin? Non. Il est passé où, le gamin? Il est où?
Non comprende.
Il est où, le gamin?
He asked where the boy is.
Boy. What boy?
Dis-lui que s'il parle pas, on lui arrache un œil.
Take your eyes out if you don't talk. Where's the boy hiding?
Fuck you.
Enlève-lui l'œil gauche. Va le chercher.
Did you steal it?
When you left Paris, you could walk into any shop on Place Vendôme and grab handfuls of stuff. I got this for you. I didn't give you 12 years till I gave it to you. I have to go out for a while, but I will be back.
Where are you going?
Madame Genet has invited me to a gathering at Maison Mère. She calls it the Gold Day.
So he considers you a friend.
She needs people like me who can get their hands on things.
I've been thinking about what you said. About going back to the way things used to be. You can't look forward if you're looking back. Let's start over.
Bonjour. Guess God told us to slay the munchers. A real cardinal, General de Gaulle, used to say, how am I supposed to govern a country that's got 246 varieties of cheese?
Restez là. Monsieur Quinn, Madame Genet vous propose une visite.
Asus. I brought the primo stuff.
Monsieur Quinn. Bienvenue à la maison mère. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Introduce me to your friend.
Madame Genet, this is Isabelle Carrier.
Enchantée. My apologies. One of my guerriers charged with securing the city. He accepted an, how do you call it in English, un pot de vin?
Bribe.
Précisément. a bribe to allow people out who wanted to get in. Should have done this job. If you please. You've disappointed me. Didn't we have an agreement?
She's got no idea what you've done. I can explain this.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I'll give you time to gather your thoughts.
Hey, whoa, get your hands up. Hang on a second. Wait. Hey, wait! You need me. Get your fucking hands up.
Come on, dear. Come on.
Sorry.
Essa.
On a un peu fait connaissance. Je comprends que les gens se fassent duper.
Duper par quoi?
Un enfant très spécial. Né d'une malédiction, la mort qui donne la vie. Une Vierge Marie, un phénix qui renaît de ses cendres. Ça sonne plutôt bien, non?
Qu'est-ce que vous voulez?
Qu'il fasse une apparition. On n'aura qu'à sourire, rien d'autre.
Vous cherchez quoi?
Certains pensent que l'union d'espoir m'est docile. Nous devons leur montrer la vérité. Que nous sommes tous un seul et unique peuple français. J'essaie de lui faire comprendre, mais peut-être y parviendrez-vous.
Il faut que tu fasses ce qu'elle te dit, Laurent. D'accord.
Ce qu'il dit est un mensonge.
Tu vas me mettre en colère. C'est pas une bonne idée, chouchou, de me mettre en colère.
Vous n'êtes pas en colère. Vous avez le cœur brisé.
Tu feras ce que je te demande. Tu n'as pas le choix.
I know my other things. And if you'd have done your part,